Hello, I am continuing my online documentary series because I've been, ever since 2020, I've been unsolicitedly monitored and followed by strangers while they they also text whomever about me without any clearance from a judge. So really I don't know if they know what that means or how that looks like, but I've never been in front of a judge, nor have I ever had any discussions with one or with a lawyer or just have been through any legal processes. So really this is why I've been I've been through identity theft. So they do text whomever about me, even though I haven't been in front of a judge or been given subpoenas or anything like it. So and pictures have been taken of me unsolicitedly. So it's crazy. It is crazy because I in 2019 I was interrogated on whether or not I was dating a guy who was in his 50s. I passed that, but I wasn't given anything legal, even though the ones who interrogated me told me that they were investigative services. Well, one out of the two did. So fast forward, and that was the only interrogation that I've ever had. So prior to that, I've never been interrogated before. And in order for someone to actually have me interrogated, I was told by that person that I had an interview to go to, which was at 9 in the morning the next day. So before I continue on, I just want to thank all of the highly skilled people. I mean who have been helping me, because this world isn't built on basic level skills, people having basic level skills, because or mediocre skills. So if this world was, then there wouldn't be this thing called a promotion. And anyways, even though the two interrogators told me that they were investigative services, guess what? They didn't give me any legal documents or anything like it. They just basically gave me 2 business cards and told me to call them if I need any help. So, and by the way, I did use the numbers, because on both cards there were the same number. So when I used that number, it didn't work. So anyways, in 2020, my email account was hacked into first, and then like a month later, the phone that I had at that time was hacked into. So all this and I still hadn't gone to a judge or had any interrogations about being a lawbreaker. So ever since the unethical hacking, these strangers have been following me and monitoring me and texting and texting while just doing all forms of note-taking regarding me. So with this, I'm saying, look, I'm just continuing on with this online documentary series because, like, really, this is just a just in case something where it's like happened to me. So yeah, and by the way, I wonder how long like this unsolicited follower and monitor will just stand in one spot playing the fool. Because like really, I'm so used to how they are. I am no court order, but yet like I mean, how can you have not a court order, but yet you want to like take me to a judge or what have you? I mean, that is so dumb, but you know what? I don't know. See, this is why I'm just letting the highly skilled people just continue to look into this situation because it's dumb. But I do thank you.